This is Standard's carry-on backpack, the ultimate work-life travel system and the only bag you'll ever need. Here are some tips to help you get started. Your new bag will arrive like this. Inside, you'll find all of the bag's accessories. The backpack straps are packed away here, and the buckles are tucked away in the corners. Attach the hip belt here. Adjust the chest strap, waist strap, and shoulder straps to find the right level of comfort. Avoid letting the bag slouch. You want it up and close to your body to reduce strain on your neck and shoulders. Standard's Nomad Collection includes packing cubes, a packable day pack, and other accessories to save space and stay organized, all while looking sharp. Now you're ready for any adventure.